Okay guys, these work exactly the same as the first one I worked. You just have a couple more formulas you need. Area of a trapezoid, which is that top shape there, is 1/2 times the sum of the bases, which means the top and bottom, times height. Okay, so that's how you can find the area of a trapezoid. 1/2 times, in parentheses, the sum of the bases. You'll look at that trapezoid, one base is 8 inches, the other base is 14, times the height. And you'll have to figure the height. If from here to here is 4 inches, because it tells us that right here, and the whole thing is 7 inches, well, that leaves that the height of the trapezoid must be 3 inches. Okay, so basically you're filling in the missing pieces. And then at the bottom, to be able to figure it, you're going to need to know the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 times the base times the height. Okay guys, let me know if you need anything.